Furniture manufacturers, woodworkers, and craftsmen know that excessive moisture content can cause major problems in their finished products, costing time and money. With the J2000 wood moisture meter from Delmhorst, you'll ensure that each and every project meets your high standards. The J2000 is extremely versatile and is one of our best sellers. It's a pin-type moisture meter that measures moisture content in wood over the range of 6 to 40%. The built-in pins on top of the unit can penetrate wood up to an inch thick. Or you can connect one of our electrodes to the connector on the side for checking wood over an inch thick or for checking hardwood floors and subfloors. The most popular electrode for those applications is the 26ES hammer probe. The J2000 has a bright digital display. It offers individual species corrections for 48 different wood species and allows you to compensate for temperature. The meter also has a built-in calibration check that allows you to verify the accuracy of your readings. Finally, the J2000 will store up to 100 readings, giving you a summary of the number of readings stored, the average of those readings, and the highest reading. Having the average and the highest reading is important information when you're taking many moisture tests, because the closer the average and the highest are to each other, the more uniform the wood is. The J2000 is an extremely useful tool for woodworkers and craftsmen and comes with the support of an experienced service team solely focused on customer satisfaction.